All right, our fluency, the first one, we're going to solve the following expression. So when we divide fractions here, remember, we're going to keep, change, flip. Let's do it in blue. KCF. So not Kentucky Fried Chicken, but Kentucky Chicken Fried. All right, so remember, any whole number can be written as a whole number over 1. So we're going to keep the first fraction as 10 over 3. We're going to change our symbol. So we're going to change that division to multiplication. And we're going to flip the last fraction, so 1 out of 4. Now we're going to multiply straight across here. So now 10 times 1 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12. So we can have an answer of 10/12, or we can, in this case, we can simplify it. If we do 10 divided by 12, if we simplify this even more, we can divide both into 2. So if we divide 10 divided by 2, you can get 5, and then 12 divided by 2, you can get 6. So either of these answers work. You only have to choose one of them. Next one, the product, we're going to multiply 3 and 12/100ths, 5 and 2/10ths. We do not need to line up our decimals when we're multiplying. All right, let's do it. It's a little late. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. We're done with that too. I'm going to put that placeholder 0. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And 5 times 3 is 15. We're going to add them up. We get 4, 2, 12, 6, and 1. Don't forget to put our decimal back in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 16 and 224 thousandths. All right, last one. We're going to find the difference. Oh, yay. Difference is going to mean subtracting. Remember, we do have to line up our decimals. And 82,098. I can put a placeholder 0 there. And let's begin subtracting. 0 minus 8 we cannot do, so the 6 becomes a 5. To make this 0 a 10, I'm going to move these down. There we go. Whoop, I didn't mean to copy. Okay. All right, 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 9 we cannot do, so 7 becomes a 6. 5 is a 15. 15 minus 9 is going to be 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. Drop that decimal. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. So our answer is going to be 16 and 662 thousandths. Oh my goodness, look at how close it is to this. Isn't that crazy? That's going to be it for our fluency. Great job.